Well, 5G has a number of industry drivers these days, and a lot of people are looking into these, but you see statistics like we are consuming 6 exabytes of data every month as a world in the mobile space. We are using maybe 2 kilowatt hours for every gigabyte. We are adding to those numbers on a regular basis, and the business model is changing. And that means that we are changing the network, we are changing the physical layer, we're changing semiconductors, we're changing the protocol systems, we're changing what UEs and CPEs look like. We're changing everything, and that impacts almost everything we do for making measurements, doing simulations, and helping our customers manage what they're doing to bring a new generation to existence. And right now, things are very hot and heavy. Lots of research has moved into development. There are many trials going on that are at the technology level, but also moving into end-to-end trials with even pre-5G capabilities being commercialized this year, perhaps. And that means things are moving fast. And in fact, there is a significant discussion in the 3GPP about accelerating those plans. So there is a lot to be done in a number of different technologies, and in order to make that very successful, having been in the industry for 32 years and starting in 1G, I've been the most successful when we've been very intimately collaborating with the industry. In this case, with universities doing research, with consortia, and with commercial bodies. And this part is actually very exciting because nobody has all the answers. And we work very closely with many different organizations around the world to develop what it's going to take when you do a new technology. How do you test it? How do you test it efficiently? How do you test it economically? And how can you make sure that it's working so that your customers will be happy? This is all part of working very closely together on a technical basis. So we're very excited that we're working around the world. We've done recent announcements, working closely with major network equipment companies like Huawei, working closely with Samsung, working closely with ZTE, and with the many universities we've talked about, the University of Bristol, Southeast University in Nanjing. And this is across a number of different technologies, a number of low-level physical layer kinds of analyses, all the way up to application space and network space and protocol stacks. So the breadth of what is going on is very exciting, and we appreciate the opportunity to be part of that and show it off. So this collaboration means we get in early. It means we build credibility early. Most importantly, it means we have solutions that will be what is necessary for the success of this business and this industry as we move from trials to early deployment to the real rollouts that are going on that will drive what has to happen to make all of this scaling technology, the scaling of the use around the world, and the expansion of all the use models to be successful. That's a good summary of what we've had to do and what we're going to do with what Keysight has been doing for a long time, but what's coming up in the future. And very excited for new things that are coming along, and look forward to more announcements.